I tried to earn $1.45 per Google ad watched. That's $14.50 for every 10 ads watched, and $145 for every 100 ads watched. But is it really that simple? Welcome to my I Tried It series, where I try different side hustles to see if they actually work and if they're worth it. In today's video, I'm testing one of CashPro's methods to see if I can really earn $1.45 per Google ad watched. The website we're going to be using today is called Cointiply. It claims over $12 million in Bitcoin has been paid, and it's trusted by over 4 million users. Here's how it works. You sign up, play games, and earn coins. You can also complete tasks, complete other offers, share your opinion by taking surveys, and watch videos, which I assume are the ads that will allow you to earn $1.45. Over here it says you can earn $1 to $5 for every online survey you participate in, and you still receive credits if you are disqualified from a survey, which sounds pretty good. Cointiply is free to use, but some of the games might require in-app purchases to complete, but it's optional. Cointiply is available worldwide, but some offers may be restricted to specific locations, and some surveys and offers are only available in English. You can download the Cointiply app in the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. Unfortunately, there's no iOS app, but you can still use their website. To make an account, all you have to do is look to the top where it says sign up and click on it. I'll leave a link down in the description, and you guys can get 1,000 free coins when you sign up. All you have to do is add your name, email, create a password, and check the box. I'm going to create an account and I'll be right back. Okay, I created my account and signed in, and it looks like they run promotions where you can earn extra playing certain games. After scrolling down a bit, I came across a few different ways you can earn. There's bonus quests, daily free spin, paid to click ads, which we'll come back to in a second. There's surveys, install games and apps, refer friends, and watch videos. Okay, now it's time to see if we can really make $1.45 per ad watched. These are the ads. This ad gives you 25 coins, and so does this one. This one is only 10 coins, 8.47. So some give you more than others. Okay, let's watch the first ad. This is the ad. I have to stay on this page until time runs out, and then I can close it. Now it wants me to select the ointment. I guess it's to verify I'm a real person. I'm going to refresh the page. Now, as you can see, I did get the 25 coins for watching the ad, but it does not look like it's $1.45. I've watched 2 ads already. This time I'm going to click on View Top Paying Ads. It opened the ad in a new tab, and over here is where it shows how many seconds are left before you can close the ad. Now it's showing a green box with a check mark, so I'm going to go ahead and close the ad. It wants me to select chocolate, so I'm going to select the chocolate bar. I'm going to refresh the page, and after watching 3 ads, I now have 60 coins, and this is by watching the top paying ads. As you can see, I'm nowhere near $1.45. I went ahead and watched all the ads. There were no more coins available to earn, and I've only made 99 coins, which was only like 1 cent. So far, it felt like it would take a long time to earn $1. Even though you can't make $1.45 per ad, I don't think this website is a scam. There has to be better ways to earn more points. So I tried playing online games. They have a few games to choose from, and I ended up playing Classic Solitaire. You'll be rewarded 30 coins every time the activity bar fills up. Here is where you'll see your activity percentage, and this is the activity bar. As you can see over here, I had 99 coins, and I now have 129 coins. I noticed the activity bar would start to fill up after every ad that was shown to me before and after my games, so I started to only play like 10 to 15 seconds and then start a new game. Right now, the activity bar is at 0%. After skipping this ad, it goes to 8%, and after skipping another ad, it now goes to 20%, and after skipping the last ad, it now goes to 31%. But doing all of this for 30 coins didn't seem like the best way to earn on this site, so I went to check out the survey section. The surveys seem to be a much better way to earn. Look at the difference in coins. Anywhere from 2,000 coins to 50,000 coins. 1,000 coins to 25,000 coins per survey. Another 1,000 to 25,000 coins, and most of them are worldwide, while others are still in most countries. But their highest paying offers seem to be playing games on your phone. You can get a total of 261,000 coins from completing all the challenges in this game. You already get 357 coins for just installing it. This is how many coins you get for completing each challenge. This game gives you 197,000 coins for completing these challenges. This game gives you 465,000 coins for completing these challenges. And this game gives you 290,000 coins for completing these challenges. This one gives you 202,000 coins. I'm going to play this game and see if I can complete these challenges. There's a total of 7 challenges to complete to get the full amount of coins, but in order to get the coins, you need to be a new user. After clicking on Play Now, it will give you an option to scan the QR code or have the offer sent to your device via email. I completed the first challenge of the game in about 3 or 4 hours while I was watching TV, and I did receive the coins. It goes from completing challenge 1 to completing challenge 2 to completing challenge 3, and then it goes straight to challenge 5, and that's when it gets really tough. because you're not getting rewarded for completing challenge 4, and each challenge is 100 levels. It took me 3 to 4 hours to complete 100 levels while watching TV. So if you're up for the task, to collect all the coins and get the full amount, you need to complete challenge 20, which is 2,000 levels in the amount of days you have left. You can earn some fast and easy coins for just installing these games. Just keep in mind that after installing these games, you have a certain amount of time to get as many coins as you can before the offer expires. This offer looks like it has some easy coins to be made, so I'm going to install it and play it for a bit. Right now, I have 2,801 coins, so I went ahead and played Domino Dreams, and it only took me 10 minutes to complete the first 3 challenges. And as you can see, I now have 12,700 coins, which is $1.27. I'm going to show you guys a better site in my opinion, but first, let's talk about how much you can actually expect to earn with this site. You can withdraw your coins after reaching $3, which is 30,000 coins. And most users who are active can reach this threshold within a few days. Now let me show you guys a better site. But first, if you appreciate me taking the time to test out different side hustles and making these kind of videos, please give the video a like so it can get pushed out to more people. And subscribe to the channel to see which side hustles work and which ones don't. Because I plan on making more videos like this, and this channel is all about making money online. The site is called Free Cash. You'll find similar games here. As you can see, here's Domino Dreams, but take a look at this. You can earn for just playing on different days, and you can earn almost $75 if you can complete Chapter 11 in 15 days. That's a lot of money for playing a game, and you get paid for completing these challenges just like on Cointiply. On Free Cash, for completing Chapter 5, you get $1.50, but on Cointiply, for completing Chapter 5, you only get like 42 cents. And I'm not surprised because the average money earned by users yesterday on Free Cash is $38.29. I'll leave the link to Free Cash down below, and when you sign up, you have a chance of winning up to $250. Also, this is very important to look at. It says, if no completion times are mentioned for each task, you have 50 days time to complete them. As you can see, these don't have completion times, so you will have 50 days to complete them. This one has a completion time of 15 days. Let's take a look at cashing out. You can withdraw to your crypto wallet starting at just 50 cents. The minimum withdrawal for Bitcoin is $5, and there's a $1.40 withdrawal fee. Unlike Cointiply, you can withdraw your earnings with PayPal, and you can withdraw as low as $5. You can also withdraw your earnings with a Visa gift card as low as $5. And there's other gift cards you can choose from. I went ahead and completed a few quick offers, like this one for $8.40. All I had to do was complete the registration, provide my full legal name, take a picture of a government-issued ID to prove I am who I say I am, take a selfie, and confirm I'm at least 18. As you can see, I've already been paid for it. I also did this offer, but I have to wait 4 more days until I can get rewarded the amount of $7.20. All I had to do was sign up and deposit $3. After I get rewarded the $7.20, all I have to do is withdraw my $3. I also did this offer. All I had to do was sign up, but it's only for new users, and it requires iOS 13.4 or later. If these quick offers are still available when you guys sign up, you can also do them and get rewarded. Again, the link will be in the description below, and I'll also have it pinned to the top of the comments. Leave a comment down below if there's an app, website, or any side hustles you guys want me to test to see if it's legit or not. If you guys want to learn how to make even more with affiliate marketing, click the video on screen. Please like and subscribe for more online earning videos, and share with a friend so they can earn by playing games too.